Your startup is not making money? Today, I will tell you how to make it profitable. Stay tuned. We all know perfectly well that launching your own startup is a difficult process. You're at the beginning of the journey, you don't have clients yet, you don't have enough budget, so you have to carefully consider what to spend money on. Most of the money is spent on promotion, marketing, and advertising. Why? Everything is very simple, because you need customers. It is them who spend money on your site. There is simply no other sources of income. Quite often, a new startup faces a challenge. Why does it take a lot of money for advertising and in return, profit is not that big? Is making business really that inefficient? But other people make money and their business grow? Why do they succeed? To better understand the context, I'll bring you an example in numbers. Let's say you started a business, an analog of OnlyFans. After all, everyone knows perfectly well that OnlyFans earns a lot of money, and its popularity is growing by leaps and bounds. But here is the problem. You spend, let's say, $5,000 and brought in 100 creators with that money. Out of these, only 10 remain on the platform, and what is it? Spend 5,000, received 1,000? You have to pay 800 as payout, pay payment processing fees, and now you have 150 income left. But you spent several times more. But you have to pay not only for marketing, you need to pay for the platform itself. Sometimes to improve or redesign something there. Where is the money? Where is the income? Is it all wrong? Or maybe marketing is ineffective. Or maybe OnlyFans just has a better platform for creators and users, and that's why they make profit. And now, let me tell you the secret of where your money goes. Are you ready? Your money goes into the value of the company, in its capitalization. Let's talk about it in more detail, alright? So you spend $5,000 on advertising. If your marketing is effective, then those users who come to you, especially those who pay money, are worth the same or even more. If someone buys your company, they will get all the data, saving time on collecting users, onboarding, and warming that up. And the cost of marketing goes up for a number of reasons. The increasing complexity of competition, inflation, and eventually your each 1,000 spent on marketing wisely will contribute to the value of the company, in addition to operating profit today. Profit itself is certainly also important, and it also affects the value of the company. Let me show you this in real numbers. Your 100 creators you brought in for $50 each are worth $5,000. And when you have enough data, your platform will be bought with this data at a price even higher than this due to inflation and time savings. So roughly speaking, it's going to be $10,000 you will have in return. And now let's pay attention to those clients that the creators bring to the platform. Each client who pays money also has some price, and it's not a small price. Many business owners are willing to pay for clients with money of $100 or more. How many such clients will come depends not so much on you, but on the creators. And the longer and more effectively and actively you work, the more such clients you will have. As a result, $5,000 spent on marketing now can easily turn into $50,000 when you're going to sell the company. And this is a tenfold profit, even if you have operational loss. But what if the result is not known? Attract an investor to the project and settle with him risks and share in the company. Let's say you raised $100,000 in the form of the capital to the company for a 10% share. For this money, you were able to attract new creators, new customers, increase your turnover, and your company will cost more in a year, which means that the investor share will increase. As a next step, you can already raise $200,000 for 10% of the company or $100,000 but already for 5%. So your equity percentage-wise will decrease, but the equity cost will grow. But this is how you can increase your profit. Attract an investor to reduce your risks and accelerate development. Then you can pay yourself a salary for operating activities and wait for the moment of acquisition, sale, or maybe your project will become a large multi-billion-dollar company. Thank you for staying till the end. See you soon. Bye.